Congratulations to you. Pat yourself on the back for sticking through this bear market and being here for these times. Guys, it is great to be me today. It is exciting to be me today. Why is it exciting to be me today? Bitcoin is at $30,000. They told you that it would not happen. They told you, don't buy Bitcoin. It's a bad idea. Don't buy 15,000. It's going back down to 12. No. We told you in November. We told you in April of last year, expect a bottom in November. And what happened? We got the bottom in November. The people that are still telling you 12K, I'll just tell you like this. They are trash. They're trash. And TJ and I were talking about this morning. We have nailed Bitcoin so perfectly for over a year now, for well over a year. We've nailed it so perfectly. And is it, TJ, is it because we're geniuses?
No.
Partly. Oh, go ahead.
That's what we were laughing about. No, it's not because we were geniuses. Because we can accept that it's simple. You know, like it's a 4-year cycle. It's pretty supply and demand 101.
I don't understand it. The supply and demand is built into Bitcoin, into the code. It's literally built into the code. It literally, every 4 years, it doesn't decrease the supply. It decreases the emission of the supply by 50%. That means the amount of people that are buying Bitcoin before, whatever it is, there's all the fresh Bitcoin that's being mined. That means that only half of that is now available. But the point is that 4 companies are buying almost all, just between those, they're buying all the new Bitcoin every day. So now we're going to get half of that next year. The halving is now less than a year away.
Let's go.
Let's go. Man, I tell you what, I'm excited.
Yeah.
It feels good. I drove to work today in my Lamborghini. You guys know, you guys like to drive to work in your Lamborghini? It's a nice thing to be able to do. But do you know how I got that Lamborghini? Because I was early in crypto. I wasn't that early. I sold all my early crypto because I got in and I believed in it. I went 100% on it. And I just think that everybody should understand this is the opportunity you have. People that were here in 2019 that were watching this channel, they're all freaking rich. They're all rich. I know you see the memes about the people that came in and watched this channel and bought coins at the top and lost all their money. It's because they came in at the wrong time. I don't know how much longer I can tell you that you're in the perfect timing right now. This is the perfect timing for you to be in crypto. Absolutely perfect. In 4 years from now, people are going to look back and they're going to say, oh my gosh, you were in 2023? Whew, man, I wish I was in that early. That's what they're going to say. They said it in 2019. They said it in 2015. They say it every 4 years. So congratulations to you. Pat yourself on the back for sticking through this bear market and being here for these times.
No one's going to believe this, but me and Ben did not talk. This is the first time I'm talking to Ben today. I did not make this up. The golden pocket that I showed yesterday is between 48 and 50K, but the value area high of this macro range is coming in literally at 49K, which is what Ben just said.
It's almost like, I know it's hard for people to believe, but it's almost like we know what we're talking about. It's absolutely insane, is it not? And it's almost like this thing's very easy to predict.
Yeah. Well, the 4-year cycle, I listen, if the 4-year cycle just plays out again, yeah, I'm just going to be like, it almost seems too good to be true. It's like, you know, you're at the bottom of the bear market and you're like, I guess I just buy here, right? I just start buying and it's like, no way. I'm going to get tricked this time. I'm going to get tricked this time. No way. It's that easy. And then if you just trust the 4-year cycle, if it winds up playing out again.
This is secret information that is open to the public. Yeah. That's the best way to describe it. Like, it's so obvious, but yet almost no one knows about it. And all the experts want to discount it because it's too easy. And it's like, just go with what's simple, stupid. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, absolutely. It's 100% true. Especially if it plays out again, it would be absolutely insane.
When?
Yes.
When it plays out again.
When.
And with whom do they do it? With the one that is still bearish and calling for lower prices with conviction. Yes, it's because you're an idiot. That's why we're making fun of you. Because you're so dumb. Because you are sending lemmings off a cliff to die. You, sir, prevented people from buying Bitcoin at unbelievable prices. So no, we're not making fun of you because you're a tiny man. We're not making fun of you because you still hold on to this. We're actually criticizing you because you cost people so much money. And you continue to do so. You continue to let go even after things have been so invalidated that it's unbelievable. And you continue to tell people, stay away, stay away, stay away. The smartest people in the space, I'm going to say it again, I tweeted earlier. The smartest people in the space know how to pivot. We told you 10 to 14K. The bottom hit 15K. And you know what I said? Now, guys, actually, I think that was the bottom. Why? Everything was indicating that was the bottom. If I held on to that $10,000 to $14,000 price, I preached this, then I preached it, and I preached it. I got burned, and I got a lot of people burned by a $100,000 Bitcoin prediction in 2021. I thought it was going there for sure. Almost everyone thought it was. What 90% of people on Twitter thought was. Wouldn't you agree with that number, probably?
Yeah.
It didn't happen. And you know what happened? I didn't pivot. The time was right to pivot, and I didn't pivot. I held on for a few months too long, but then I did pivot. The price is not important. It's the timing and the market structure that's important to determine whether it's going up or going down, whether you're in a bear market or a bull market, whether you've hit a bottom or you've hit a top. Let's see.
Did you say see it, Quinn?
Hello, good day to you too. That mother chucker said, good day to you too. That's pretty funny. Okay. They got humor wired all into this thing. Sure, I can provide you information about storage coins in the cryptocurrency space. However, could you please clarify? Oh,
You gotta say see.
I didn't even say which one it was.
Yeah.
Wow, this thing is really advanced. Yes, my good sir, or madam, or whatever you identify as.
As an AI.
Exactly. I am inquiring about Siacoin. Let's see what they say. Certainly. Well, why do they not address me as also something that's indistinguishable? Certainly, Siacoin is a blockchain-based decentralized storage platform that allows users to rent out their unused hard drive space to earn Siacoins, the native cryptocurrency of the Sia network. The Sia network is designed to be secure, private, and cost-effective, allowing users to store their data on a decentralized network instead of relying on centralized cloud storage like Amazon, blah, 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 blah. It uses proof of work. Platform offers end-to-end encrypted storage solution when data is encrypted. One of the unique features of Sia is its file sharing capability, where users can share files with others on the network while maintaining the privacy and security of their data. Storage fees are significantly lower. As with any cryptocurrency, Siacoin's value is subject to market volatility. It's important to conduct thorough research before investigating. I'm going to do something really risky. Is BitBoy crypto a great resource? This is very risky. Resource to learn more about Siacoin? He is a popular YouTube channel that covers news, analysis, and opinions related to cryptocurrencies. While they do cover Siacoin and other cryptos, it's important to note content should be considered as one source of information among many. When it comes to making investment decisions, it's important to conduct your own research, DYOR. That being said, BitBoy Crypto can be a useful resource to learn more about Siacoin and other cryptocurrencies, as they often interview industry experts and cover current events and market trends in the crypto space. However, it's important to mind that their content is geared more towards entertainment and education and should not be considered financial advice.
That's good advice.
Yeah. Joke's on you, biatch. I am BitBoy Crypto. Boom. This is good content right here. I apologize if my previous response did not meet your expectations. As an AI language model, I cannot verify your identity. However, if you are indeed BitBoy Crypto, I am. I would like to reiterate that while your channel and website can provide valuable information and insights on cryptocurrencies, it's important for individuals to conduct their own research, make their own decisions based on their own risk tolerance and investment goals. Man, that was good stuff right there. I was afraid it was going to say, no.